I'm just going to add one more example. This is quite a tricky example. It's on page 83, and it's example 2. Okay, so we've got f of x is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 18. And it says, show that f of x is greater than or equal to 2 for all values of x. Okay. A bit of mathematical language there, but we'll get there. Show that f of x, so show that this function, this equation, will always be greater than or equal to 2 for all values of x. Well, first, we want to factorize this expression. Okay. Let's complete the square. We've got x minus 4 squared. That gives us a 16 at the end. So we have to minus the 16, and then we have to add that 18 on again because, because the 18 doesn't work with this square. We can look at other methods of factorizing first, but we know in this case, let's say we've tried a number of ways to factorize and we can't solve it any other way. So we know that f of x is equal to x minus 4 squared plus 2. Okay, now this is squared. So if the answer to the inside of this bracket is a negative, we know that it will be a positive. If it's a 0, let's imagine that x is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, then it is 4 minus 4, which is 0. 0 squared is 0. 0 plus 2. So the smallest number that x could be for this to equal 0 is 4. And even if x is a negative, even if it's less than that, it's not going to be a negative once it's been squared. So we know that no matter what, f of x is greater than or equal to 2. So we can say therefore, this is the mathematical symbol for therefore. F of x is equal to or greater than 2 for all values of x. And if you're not sure that that's true, you could choose a number of values for x and try to test it. See if you can make this equal less than 2. But we know that it can't. It can't possibly. If x is a negative, it will be squared and it will be a bigger number. It will definitely not be a negative number. It will be a positive number. So f of x will be greater than 2. And if this is 4, this becomes 0. Anything, 0 squared is 0, but you're going to add the 2 on. So you know that f of x is equal to or greater than 2.